This is MS Word. Yes, have you done yesterday's homework, everyone? Yes? Shikha Patel, you have done? ఎందుకు వస్తుంది మేడం తీసుకుని అది తీసేయండి మీ హెడ్ ఫోన్స్ ఇవి పెట్టుకోండి క్లాస్ తీసుకుని మేడం నిన్న మంచిగా నెక్స్ట్ పీరియడ్ లీజర్ ఉంది ఎస్ మా అయాన్ టెల్ మీ యా అయాన్ టెల్ మీ
Ma'am, which book I should take out, ma'am?
డోంట్
Page number?
any book. I'm just showing you the practicals.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm just sharing you the screen of MS Word. Yeah, everyone can see the screen. Yes. Vignesh, yes, everyone on your videos. Everyone on your videos, everyone. Shrestha, Advait. Yeah, Shrita, Mehda, Danesh, David, Shekhar, Ham. Yeah, Shrestha, tell me what's your problem? What happened, ma?
Ma'am, my back camera is working, but the back camera is working, but my front camera is not working
Okay. No problem.
properly.
Right.
That's why I'm listening.
Okay, ma, right. Carry on. Yes, Akshay. Why did you raise your hand? Akshay, tell me what happened. Yeah, now we'll see something, ma. I'll just text something. Yes, Ananya, what happened, ma? Any problem, Ananya?
Let me write this.
No, you don't write anything. I'm just showing you how, bold letters like underline. How can we underline? How can we show the text italic form? Okay, I'll just show you. Just see what I'm doing. If you are having the laptops or if you are having, you can also do along with me. Okay, I'll just type something. You no need not to write anything. Just see me. See the screen. Formatting means changing the appearance of the document to make it more attractive. So tomorrow you are having GAT on this topic only, okay? Last Saturday you are not having, so tomorrow you are having GAT, ICT. Okay? Is it clear, everyone? Yeah. Now First, how to change this text to bold. Bold. B-O-L-D, bold. Bold means first we have to select the text. Yes, select the text. Then see here we got it bold. Control B. We can click it, or keyboard we can type Control plus B. Okay, I'm just clicking it. Became bold. Bold means darker. The text becomes more darker as usual. Clear? Is it clear, ma? See, it has become darker. Yes. Now the same thing. Underline. How to underline? Where can we underline the text? See, same here we have U. Control U. So if I click Control U, there will be a line under the text. Okay, Control U is a shortcut key for underline, and Control B is a shortcut key for making the text bold. Yes. Now what is meant by italic? I'll just make this font bigger so that you can see more. Yeah, now it is clear, right? Somewhat bigger. Now I'll keep it highlighted. Okay. I can also make it. Can change. Okay. Color. Which color we want? I'll take purple. Yeah. Now what is italic? Italic means. Yeah, same here we have B is there, I is there, and U is there. See, B, I, U. B for bold, I for italic, and U for underline. B is over, bold is over, right? And I, U is also over, underlining is also done. Then what is italic? Yeah, you have seen the change. Just somewhat slanting. I'm undoing it. This is the original text. Now if I click I, you can see somewhat the letters are slanting, somewhat just bend towards right. Is it clear? This is a before italic. This is actual text. So when I click on I, yes, it has become somewhat slanting. Yes, that is italic. Okay, before making the letters bold to look bold. Bolder means darker. I means somewhat slanting. The text will be, and U for underline. Okay, you can find the text in some line under the text. I am removing the highlighting. Okay, I'll just change the color of the text. Or how to change the color of the text? We have here A. Here colors are there. So many colors we are having. Which color would like to? Yeah, this color is nice. Okay, and all bold, italic, and underline are highlighted. Clear. Now I'll just remove everything. I have removed bold, I have removed underline also. Okay, everything is removed. Now again, how to keep it? Yes. You can just select the text. Click B-I-U. Now I. Yes, somewhat slanting. So what is Vignesh? What is B? B.
Ma'am, B means bold, ma'am.
Yeah, very. And what is the shortcut key for that? Bold.
Control B.
Very good. And Medha? What is I? I for? What is I? I can't hear you, ma. Yeah, Nehal, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
I means?
I means italic.
Yeah, how? Yeah, italic, right. Next, who will? Hansika, what is you? You for you means Hansika, tell me. If we click you, what happens to the text? You didn't understand, Hansika? Yama, you can mute yourself. Unmute yourself, sorry. I can't hear you, Tali.
Underline.
What is it?
Underline.
Ah, very good. Your mother helped you or you only? Okay, you for it is underline. We can underline the given text using. And what is the shortcut key for that? Shreyan, where are you?
Ma'am.
What is the shortcut key for underline?
U.
Repeat it once again. I
Control
can't.
U.
What is that? Ananya, can you repeat?
Control U.
Ah, yeah. Control. Yes. Control U. Very good. Very good. Right.
U.
Yes, ma. Very good. So control B for bold. Control U for underline. Yes. And yesterday I have given you some homework. I hope so. Yes. Did you do? And what is a keyboard shortcut for italic? Ronav? Italic. Keyboard shortcut key for italic. Ronav, answer me. What is the shortcut key for italic? I think you're having some network problem. Advait, will you tell me? Keyboard shortcut key for italic.
Control.
Control. What is it? I can't hear you properly. Yes, Ayan, tell me. Keyboard shortcut key for italic.
Ma'am,
Keyboard shortcut key for making the text italic. It is control what?
keyboard shortcut key for making italic.
Italic.
Control F.
Control?
Control I.
Yeah, control I. Somebody helped you? Yes, control I for italic. B for
No, ma'am. I only told.
yeah, okay, good. Control I for control B for bold, control I for italic, and control U for underline. Is it clear, children, everyone? And tomorrow you are having GAT on the same topic, whatever we have covered till now. Is it clear? What is smart art? What is word art? What is clip art? How can we insert shapes? Okay. And what are the different types of alignments we have? How many types of alignments we are having? Can anybody tell? Raise your hands, I'll ask. How many types of alignments are available in the MS Word? Yeah, Arham. Yes, tell Arham.
Left.
Okay.
Left. Right. Center. Justified.
Very good. Left, right, center, and justified are the 4 types of alignments we are having. Very good. Mute yourself. Then font dialog box. I told you yesterday, how can we get font dialog box? Control plus shift plus F. I'll try it now. I'm pressing control plus shift plus F. So what can we see here? This is a font dialog box. There are, you can see font. This is a font type. Okay. These are the types of the fonts available. And regular, italic and bold. 3 types of styles. Sizes you have till 72. Okay. This is one complex scripts. This is all text. This is sample. You can see here. See, I'm taking Arial black. See, sample. This is a sample, means how the text appears. It will show before only. Before selecting, we can see the sample here. How the text looks. Then italic means, it will go somewhat slanting. Control Shift plus F. Right? And size we can see 72 means it will be bigger. Right? And this is a font dialog box. What is the shortcut key for font dialog box? Control plus Shift and F. All the 3 keys you have to press at a time. Yes, Yashashvi, what happened, ma? 1 second. Where are you? Yeah, where is Yashashvi? Tell me.
Ma'am, we should write.
Don't write anything. Just listen carefully. Okay, I'm just explaining what is what. Okay, ma, don't write anything. So tomorrow is A, so I'm explaining what is bold, what is underline, what is italic, okay, and how many types of alignments we have. 4 types of alignments. You can see here, this is left, this is center, and this is right, and this is justified. Okay.
Ma'am, I have joined now only, ma'am.
Okay, ma. I'm just doing recap.
Ma'am, can you send yesterday's homeworks?
I have not given any homework right now. Yesterday, like you can complete page number till where you have completed, Yashasvi? Page
Ma'am,
number.
before Saturday onwards, I'm not coming, ma'am.
Yeah, ma. You can open your course book and see till where you have completed. Which page you have completed?
I am not joining from 1 week, ma'am.
So you didn't start only.
Yeah, ma'am.
So not started the course book yet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then right then, I'll I'll just send you through WhatsApp. Okay. Today evening, you can complete whatever I have done. I will share you. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Who is that? One more rising hand. Yes, ma. Shrestha, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is alignment? I didn't understand.
Alignment means placing the text, positioning the text or placing the text. Aligning means keeping the text in the, like, to the left or to the
Ma'am, I
right.
not write anything in which book we should write also.
What? 1 second, Shrestha. What, Akshay? What you are writing? What I told you to write?
Ma'am, in which book I should write?
What?
I don't know.
What you'll write?
You write. I not write anything. You write in a format that.
Yesterday's.
Oh, ma'am. Now you write on white.
I told it's just a practical. I'm just showing you what is what. You need not to write anything. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
I'm just explaining what, like bold, how to do bold, how to do letters italic, how to do underline the text. It's like practicals I'm showing you, okay? Don't write anything. Yes. Like Shrestha, listen to me. Like, see here. 1 second. I'll just copy this and I'll make more text available. So that you can see the differences. Suppose this is the text, right? So how to make it align to left? See here, 4 types of alignments we have. Alignments means placing the text, right? So this is a left alignment. You can see little differences, okay? This is center. The text comes everything towards this. Suppose this is a page, so the text will be arranged to in the center of the page, okay? Right means text to moves towards the right of the page. Justified means everything will be arranged systematically, okay? Left means it will move towards somewhat left. Center means at the center. Right means towards right. Justified and left are almost same. Is it clear, Shrestha? Where is Shrestha? Where are you? Is it clear? Shrestha, is it clear?
It's clear, ma'am.
Okay, right. Then who else having doubts? Who raised hands? Yes. Vishnu, tell me what's your doubt?
Ma'am, I can. Ma'am,
Yes.
no, I too not listening from 1 week classes, ma'am.
Yesterday you are there, na?
Yesterday only I'm started, ma'am. Why?
So,
Because my grandmother died, ma'am.
okay, okay, no. So page number 8, 9, 10 you have not completed. Page number 8 and 9.
I did not start, ma'am.
Okay. I'll share you also, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Nana, everything is clear then? Yeah, now Vishnu and Yashashvi, take out your books, course books. You can write now. I'll write on this. You can write it. Yeah. And others, you just go on reading the course book once again, one time from the beginning. Course book reading is very important. Okay. Till they write, you can just continue with reading the course book. Yes, Akshay, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes, Akshay, tell me what is your problem? Vishnu and Yashashvi, take out page number 8.